Hello guys, today we'll have a look at Gorillaz X G-Shock collaboration watch. This I believe to be their second collab that they made, and they released two different watch with two different design. I'm guessing to promote the latest album called the Now. I mean, that should be it. If you look at their first watch, will be the GW-5600, which came in the exact color of their album cover, the Now. That is the Bluetooth square, which is I believe to be one of the most beautiful collab on a square watch that I have ever seen. And they also released this one. Originally retails at 21,000 Japanese yen, but I was able to buy one of these at a lot lower price than that. So thanks to buy.jp for making that possible. They are a proxy shopping service website based in Japan. So if you want to buy anything at all directly from Japan, I highly recommend you guys use the site. Use the link in the description box so that they'll know that I sent you guys there. This is the GA-2000GZ-3AJR based on the first carbon core G-Shock to represent their first album called Gorillaz, released in the year 2001. If you look at the album cover design, you'll see that there's this vehicle that they are riding in the music video, one of them. So this vehicle features green colorway with camouflage pattern, and they utilize this design and they print it out on this box and also on the watch. When you think about it, this is the first carbon core G-Shock, this is the first album. That is just a nice combo already. Not to mention that Gorillaz is also the first ever virtual band in the world, the most successful one at least, so that surely should mean something, right? And next, about this box, what is this all about? So if you look at all the prints, I believe these are all the screenshots taken from their music video from the album. I cannot recall all of them, but I do know that this image, this monkey over here, this print and this print, and probably this print as well, are representing the Clint Eastwood music video, one of the best songs. And this vehicle, these tires, I believe this image as well is representing their 19 to 2000 songs. Those two are the most popular songs, and I'm sure at some point one of you guys already heard the song if you really was born in that era. Anyway, those are the good old MP3 player days. I like the first album a lot, but I'm not really into the latest album called the Now. I listened to all of the songs, but this sounds a bit dark. I could accept trance, I could accept humility, and I believe the soul girl, something like that. But the rest is pretty much dark, not as vibrant, as cheerful as this one over here. So that's more reason why I like this specific colorway, because it represents the first album. And also that shows us the four character, the original character, which I'm very familiar with, not like the one on the latest album, which I have no idea much because I'm not a hardcore fan, just so you know. That should be it on the backstory of this release, all the things that you should know on why this watch looks the way it is. I already made tons of video talking about a GA-2000. I made a video where I talk about all the reasons to like this model and all the reasons not to like this watch as well. But in this video, I'm just gonna focusing more on these specific colors only. So let's start with the thing that I don't like, which is only one, and that is the hands. The hands came in skeleton. I don't know why they do this. They should have made that to have a lume, at least that could glow in the dark. That will fit very well with the songs, you know, because it's a bit dark sometimes. But they made it skeleton. I don't know, probably to represent this guy, which is in skeleton. I might be wrong on that, but anyway, that's okay. I could work with that. The LED lights on this very model is bright enough to light up the entire watch face, so you don't have to worry about the functionality of this model. I like the vibrant green colors and black combinations. This is just my favorite colorway, and also the channel color theme as well, if you guys haven't noticed. And I like the fact that they give us this strap as well in olive green. So whenever I want to go out like feeling fun, feeling cheerful, I could go with this. And when I'm feeling a bit serious, I could just take this strap, plug it in here. Look at that. Now that is a lot more serious looking, more like a military style G-Shock watch. but still with those fashionable looks on it, which I like a lot because I wear most of my G-Shock watch for fashions, especially this limited edition model like this. These are made for the fans. These are also made for the collectors. Although you could wear this as a beater, but I highly wouldn't recommend you guys to do so, because you know what, Cas will be releasing a lot more GA-2000 in the future, I'm sure of that. So if you are looking forward to those new releases, you might want to take care of your current one, because then you could sell it back, get your large portion of your money, or probably even make profits if you're lucky, and then you could get the newer one. So that's, I believe, one of the reasons why I always take good care of my G-Shock watch. Most of them, not all of them. I mean, I beat this one up. I like this one a lot, but this is my beater watch currently. I just realized that all of these other white things around here really makes the watch look cluttered. If only the color all this to black, I think it will look a lot better. But you know what, I could customize this to black if I wanted to, and you guys should do so as well, which is very easy to do. But other than that, I like the whole design. This is so cool with the olive green watch face, green highlights in this ring over here. So cool to see. And overall, this is a nice collaboration G-Shock watch. But hey, it's all entirely up to you. If you like the band, if you like the background story, or if you just like the colors, go ahead, get them. Their prices are still affordable today, though I have a feeling that the price will go up in the future if you didn't grab them right away. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. This is GA-Chef, and I'm